Welcome aboard for another video.
Thanks, Conductor Keith.
Hi. Well, this past Friday I posted my first Front End Friday video, live Steam edition, and I enjoyed it so much that I thought I'd do a Monochrome Monday because I like the Monochrome Monday videos and pictures that I've seen, so I hope you enjoy.
So while our 2-foot narrow gauge train departs for Potato, we see our Shay crew here loading up water from the standpipe. There she blows! While it's not the easiest to control, I really enjoy having radio control in this locomotive. The discussion in the cul-de-sac is, where is all the color gone? Even the dogs are confused. Henry, is it just me, or where did all the color go? I don't know, Marge. It's very strange indeed. Well, the Friar is here, of course, at his favorite train watching location, that is Whitson Bridge. Now, what he thinks of the black and white, I don't know. Of course, he won't tell us because he has a vow of silence, but he hasn't even handed me a piece of paper with his thoughts on it. So I guess we'll just wonder. Uh-oh, how are they going to be able to see the color on resistors and such? That Tetley tea car is making me thirsty. I think I'll go put the kettle on.